so I'm taking a car to steal a boat, stick up a train, and get some gold.
That's about the size of it. Make it a fast boat.
The logistical mind of Trevor Phillips. So it's like gold bricks on board, right?
Sometimes. This is a high-value courier service run by Merryweather.
Oh, Merryweather?
Tranquilo, Mike. This ain't a weapons train. It's goods too valuable to insure for air travel train.
Gold.
Sometimes gold, sometimes artwork, priceless and...
Shit!
Like a mirage in the desert. Here's my train. Stop that train! Mike, oh yeah, another thing for your shopping list. We'll need some bombs.
Okay, I'll pick them up when I'm back at the trailer.
Back at the trailer? Where are you? We got work to do.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm getting changed.
Whoa, getting changed? What have you turned into? I've got a ticket! Hold up! All aboard! There's a new conductor on this train. You on the water?
Sure, just caught a fish. Let me know when you need me.
Got it? Eat it? Be under that fucking bridge. When we go past Toledo Station, whole of Merryweather's gonna be onto us. We've been rerouted! Sorry! Em, I ain't far out. You under the bridge?
Approaching the inlet now. I'm powered through to the bridge.
I'm living the life, my friend. This is quite a spot you picked.
Enjoy it now, because it's about to start raining fire.
Now, if I was a speed-free cannibal, what would I blow up a train to steal?
Don't be smart! Find the loot! Our moment of judgment is fast approaching! Wouldn't want to see my best friend...
It's about fucking time!
I'll be as quick as I can be. I gotta run a fucking salvage operation in here.
Merryweather fleet's here, bro! Get the score and get out of there!
Fuck, there's a lot of crap in here. Hold on!
dying! Find something! They got shooters on the track!
You still got that thermal scope on your rifle? Find the shooters with it before they find me!
Yeah, got one of them! I'm out here doing the hard work while you're in there relaxing. Find something!
Yeah, I wasn't looking over my shoulder for Merryweather, guys. It might be easier.
Now the parachute regiment turns up! Snipers are down, so don't let that keep you.
Baby on board, we're good to go.
Finally! Come on!
Get in, let's go!
Down the rapids, if you please. Come on! They got some boats after us. Nature, you're right. It's a beautiful thing.
There's nothing natural about this. Nada. Up, she's yours!
They got guys on land. Women and children first!
Hey, Pete! Check the coast!
I forgot to say, nice outfit! And by nice, I mean lame! We got a buzzard on our tail! Dying brave! You feeling alive? Juice pumping through your glands?
My glands are just fine, without the crashing trains, exploding helicopters, and sinking boats.
Come on! We need to get on land. Pull her up down the coast.
Whoa! Man, you work hard for your living. Boil it down for me. How much you think you make per senseless killing, huh? Couple nickels?
Times are tough. Have been since we put you in the ground.
Hey, you had your savings.
That I couldn't access because you blew the identities. You know, there was nothing for Brad's defense. Transport's taken care of. Ron's dependable, you see.
Oh, his and hers, huh?
Because of your independent spirit. Hey! Hey, before you go, show me the loot.
All right. It's perfect.
Perfect for fucking what?
For squaring things with that Mexican psycho. We give him this, and you end your relationship with that little lady. Maybe we won't be deadmen in Los Santos.
I don't fucking see that Silicon City again. It'll be too soon. But this is my job, not your call to make.
Nah, your job. Fuck things up with the Mexican to begin with.
My job, my score, get your own!
Wait, you give me that case, I'll give you something bigger.
What?
Union Depository.
Fuck off. Can't be done.
I never said impossible. Just very difficult.
Verging suicidal?
That a line you're afraid to cross? Come on, T. You remember the dreams? Couple kids pulling jobs, the big one. I know it sounded crazy back then, huh? But hey, you and me together again. With Lester and Franklin on board. We can do this thing, T. This ain't no dream no more. You keep the case.
Fuck me. Okay, hey! All right. Here. Keep that silly fucking thing. And you can keep Patricia as well, all right? Because I respect that lady and I ain't gonna hold her back.
Thank you.
Just remember, I'm gonna be keeping my eye on you every inch of the way, all right?
Of course.
And if that bastard fucking cheats on her one more time, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You know, Trevor, we both know you're not the marrying kind. But hey, it's great to be back in business, huh? Let's bring it on.
The big one! The big one!